How to find Wi-Fi password on Windows computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can view your Wi-Fi password from your PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. On your PC, go ahead and search for Control Panel. Once you see it, click Open it. And at this section, click onto Network and Sharing Center. From here on your right side, you will see your Wi-Fi name. Simply click onto it and click onto Wireless Properties just beside the details. Here you will be on Connection tab. Click onto Security tab. Here you will see your Wi-Fi connection security key. All you have to do is click on to Show Characters and you will be able to access the Wi-Fi password. And just like so, this is how you can view your Wi-Fi password from your PC. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.